Hi, welcome to my channel, Color Life. Okay, I'm Kama. Today's topic is about an additional feature or a safety feature for Kia Forte 2011. Okay, what I'm going to show you in the next video is this particular feature would kicks in after you switch off the engine. Okay, let me give you a brief. What may happen is that after you switch off the engine, there will be an additional reserve power within the car for you to lower down your power window. Okay, so this is a good feature where if your door got stuck and you cannot open it, at least you can wind down your power window and get out from the car. So I think this is a very good feature. I'm not sure whether any Kia Forte owners out there aware of this feature or not, but in the next video we'll show you what that feature is all about. Okay, till next time, do take care, stay safe, and good luck. Take care, bye. Okay, I'm going to show you something which I just realized after all these years. Actually, I've realized it a few months back, a few years back, but I've forgotten already. Now I want to show you what it's all about. Okay, currently my engine is on, so I'm going to switch off everything. And there's a feature in this Kia Forte in which before you open the door, actually there's some power that's being reserved. So if you have switched off your engine, everything, until you open the door, what you can also do in case of emergency is like you can open the power window. Okay, because there are some form of electrical power within the car, but once you open the door, then you can't do anything. So that's the feature which Kia got it. I'm not sure whether any other cars got it or not. Okay, catch you all later. Take care, till next time, bye.